All right, guys, just wrapped up another 2025 2500 HD. This is the AT4. It's got the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series lift on it. Factory 20-inch wheels, 37 1250 20 Twill RT trails. Just a minor amount of trimming on the corner of the bumper through here and on your valence. Also had to trim some of your inner felt liner through there. Don't have to do anything on the back mud flap with this size tire. Now, this being the Performance Series, you're gonna get the Cognito upper control arms. You're gonna get your Fox 2.0 Resi shocks, front and rear, and the Pitman and Idler brace kit. Now, this is their redesigned upper ball joint, what they call their Alpha Series. You can see it is a bootless design. It is greasable, and you're gonna have an internal seal that keeps the grease in there. So that's patented by Cognito, and this is just released, so they're just now coming out with this product. And we've only had about 3 that we've installed, but they've been really nice so far. A couple more changes that they've made recently is you see that their Pitman and Idler arm brace, the heim is actually one piece instead of having 2 jam nuts. That makes installation easier. It's more error proof and how much load that you put on the Pitman and Idler arm. They've also redesigned their sway bar link. I don't know if you can see it here. Well, you can't, but take my word for it. Inside the boot here, they used to have a pressed on washer that was prone to breaking. It's going to be of a cast design. Now it's all one piece, and it's eliminated that problem. So the sway bar links, we had an issue with them when they would break. The sway bar links had the potential to come loose, and this has fixed that problem. So it's nice to see that they're making improvements in their kit as they go along. See that nice cross member, along with their one-piece split design skid plate. As always, the Cognito kits have really nice angles, which translates to a great ride quality. Filming this one on my phone today, so it's a little bit tighter. I don't have as much of a wide angle on this one. See if I can get you a walk around of the truck without walking into another truck. Really nice looking setup. You've seen we do this setup quite often. This is their non-torsion drop kit. As you can see, it keeps the torsion bars tucked up above the frame rails. This kit does 4 in the front, 2 in the back. It's got a 2-inch rear block. Also got your Fox rear resis. It's a 2.0 series. Uses a 2-inch rear block. You've got your bump stop extension mounted on your bump stop pad there. Really nice looking truck. Also got this 25 Denali in here. It's getting the BDS 5-inch kit. Factory 22-inch wheels with 38-inch ridge grapplers. Sure we'll do a video on this one next. All right, guys, that's gonna be it on this one. Short and sweet. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.